Hey, my youth, you know what you watch? Dancehall.
Viewers and subscribers, the video that you just saw a while ago is of the Jamaica hockey team celebrating after winning the Amerigol Latam Cup. It's a tournament, and they become victorious of this tournament by defeating the defending champion, which is the Colombia team. Now, just to be clear, viewers and subscribers, this is the senior men's hockey team. The senior men's Jamaica hockey team that won the Amerigol Latam Cup. And this all happened on Sunday the 8th of September 2019 in Florida, United States of America. As a Jamaican, I feel proud to know that Jamaica team once again come out victorious on top of another form of sports that is out there in the world. Now, viewers and subscribers, I say it again, the Jamaica hockey team won the Amerigol Latam Cup. And you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla, they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. So if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments and let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?